When it comes to improving your home, some projects provide better returns than others. One of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades is door replacement. For homeowners in Eagle, replacing your old doors with high-quality, professionally installed ones is more than just a cosmetic change. It's a smart investment that pays off in multiple ways. Whether you're dealing with a drafty, outdated front door or interior doors that no longer function properly, here's why door replacement in Eagle is worth every penny. Boost your home's curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If it's faded, cracked, or doesn't match your home's style, it can drag down your curb appeal. New doors, on the other hand, instantly refresh your home's exterior, making it more attractive and welcoming. With so many styles, colors, and materials to choose from, you can customize your door to match your home's architecture and your personal taste. Whether you choose a classic wood door, a modern steel entryway, or a decorative glass design, your home will stand out in the neighborhood for all the right reasons. Improve energy efficiency. In Eagle's varied climate, your doors play a big role in keeping your home comfortable year-round. Older doors, especially those that don't fit properly anymore, can let drafts in during winter and allow cool air to escape in summer. This not only makes your home less comfortable but also drives up your energy bills. New doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. With proper insulation, weather stripping, and tighter seals, a replacement door helps maintain indoor temperatures, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling system. Over time, these energy savings can add up to offset the cost of the replacement itself. Enhance home security. Your doors are one of the most important features for keeping your home and family safe. Worn or weakened doors are easier to break through, leaving your home vulnerable to unwanted intruders. Modern doors are built with stronger materials, better locking mechanisms, and reinforced frames that provide an added layer of protection. When you choose professional door replacement in Eagle, you're not just getting a beautiful new look, you're also making your home more secure. Many homeowners find that the peace of mind alone is worth the investment. Increased property value. Door replacement is also one of the top home improvement projects when it comes to return on investment, ROI. According to industry studies, replacing your front door can recoup a significant percentage of its cost when it comes time to sell your home. Potential buyers appreciate the aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and security that come with new doors. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, it's nice to know your investment is adding to your home's value. Enjoy better functionality. If your current doors stick, squeak, or just don't open and close as they should, it can be frustrating. New doors operate smoothly and are easier to maintain. Many options also offer modern features like between-the-glass blinds, improved soundproofing, and smart locks, making your daily life more convenient and enjoyable. Final thought. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing security and boosting your property value, the benefits of door replacement in Eagle are clear. It's an upgrade that pays for itself over time while making your home more beautiful, comfortable, and secure. For the best results, work with a trusted local professional who can help you choose the right doors and ensure they're installed correctly. With high-quality doors and expert installation, you'll enjoy the rewards of this smart investment for years to come. If you've been putting off replacing your doors, now is the perfect time to take the next step. Your home and your peace of mind are worth it.